I already did.
Another video playing Cube Runners again. Wait, 2,000 calories achievement. I got the 2,000 calories achievement, guys.
Wait, what did you get?
I got the 2,000 calories achievement just when I started my video. Oh my gosh.
2,000 videos achievement?
No, 2,000 calories. I spent 2,000 calories.
2,000 calories. Great.
I'm still pretty fat though. That's not doing anything. I'm still pretty fat though. Oh, where Red went?
Come catch me. Come catch me.
Wait for me. Wait for me. I can only use one.
Scooty. Scooty. Scooty.
Oh, this is a dead end.
Scooty.
Why'd you leave? Where are we going?
Scooty. Do you want to go back?
Yes, I want to go back.
Well, no, we're not going back.
I swear, if you don't let us go back. Let us go back, please.
Fine. Guys, great news. I lost the way. It's either that way or that way. Which way?
That way. It's that way. I'll remember. Bro,
We
why
made
are you
it.
leaving like that? This isn't. We made it back. So what level should we do? Level 16?
Yay.
Yeah, level
I
16.
think we should do level 11. I think we should do level 11 monkey marathon.
Okay.
Level 11 monkey marathon.
Wait, what's that? What's that up there? What was that statue thinking?
What's... Oh, that's Shrek. Ignore him. That's Shrek.
What level do we go to? 11, I think. I know.
Alright.
How bro, I better not shoot. This kid sounds like Shrek. Bro, kid. 2-year-old. You sound like Shrek, bro.
Monkey marathon.
You're not Shrek.
We're gonna do
You sound
monkey.
like him. You are him, bro.
No, I'm not. Wait.
Yes, you are.
Let's go.
You're a 55-year-old. And a little tiny. Oh my god, and my controller.
How dare you call me a 35-year-old? I'm only 2 years old, buddy book.
Bro, I'm literally recording.
Stop this tomfoolery.
Bro,
Too much tomfoolery.
for you
Let's just
to know how to, what that is, you're 5,500, bro.
That's it.
No one knows what that word is. At least I do, but like,
How do you not know?
I know what it is means, but like, who would use that word in a video game?
Like,
Tomfoolery, more like tomfoolery, bro. You're Tom Holland, but 5,500 years old.
You gotta stop this right now.
You're 56.
Can we just go already? I've been waiting here since 1987.
Alright, let's go. Well, you've been waiting here since what? Oh shoot, I saw her. She's coming.
Grandma! Grandma!
Nah, bro, she coming. None of y'all go.
Grandma, kiss me.
My left controller.
Grandma,
Why I look like that when I turn my back? Why I look like that? Why Grandma Cake look like that? Grandma Cake.
Grandma.
What you doing, Grandma Cake?
Grandma. Ow.
Grandma Cake. What you doing? Grandma Cake. Arms.
Grandma.
She ain't your grandma. She a possessed lady, bro. She ain't your grandma. You hear that? It's a soul that just got killed from your grandma. That ain't your grandma. That ain't your grandma, bro.
Yes, it is.
That is not your grandma.
Disrespect
That means you're a skinwalker. If that's your grandma, you're the skinwalker.